Amendment 14 establishes national citizenship, guarantees due process and equal protection, and limits state power over individual rights. It was adopted after the Civil War to correct grave injustice and to affirm that all persons are equal under the law, reflecting the biblical truth that all people are created in God's image. Genesis 1 verse 27, Proverbs 22 verse 2. Amendment 14, citizenship, due process, and equal protection, simplified. Ratified in 1868. Added to the Constitution of the United States. Section 1. Citizenship and rights. What this section says, plain language. Anyone born or naturalized in the United States is a U.S. citizen and a citizen of the state where they live. States may not take away a person's rights without due process of law, deny any person equal protection of the laws. In simple terms, citizenship is national, not just state-based. Government must follow fair legal procedures. Laws must apply equally, not selectively. Section 2. Representation. States that deny eligible male citizens the right to vote may lose representation in Congress. Back-end index pointing right, this section tied political power to voting rights. Historical context. Section 3. Disqualification from office. Anyone who swore an oath to support the Constitution and then engaged in rebellion against the United States is barred from holding federal or state office. Congress may remove this disability with a 2/3 vote. Section 4. Public debt. The national debt of the United States is valid and must be honored. Debts related to rebellion against the U.S. are invalid. Back-end index pointing right. This protected the Union's financial integrity after the Civil War. Section 5. Enforcement. Congress has the power to enforce this amendment through appropriate legislation. What Amendment 14 does: defines U.S. citizenship clearly, applies most constitutional protections to the states, requires fairness and equality in state laws, prevents states from violating fundamental rights, corrects injustices rooted in slavery and discrimination. What Amendment 14 does not do: it does not erase state authority. It does not guarantee identical outcomes, only equal protection. It does not give courts unlimited power to redefine rights. It does not override the Constitution's original structure. Backhand index pointing right, it enforces constitutional equality, not judicial activism. Biblical and constitutional insight. Human equality. All people share equal worth before God. Justice. Law must be applied fairly and impartially. Accountability. States are under the Constitution, not above it. Moral correction. Law can be amended to confront injustice. In one sentence, Amendment 14 establishes national citizenship and requires states to respect due process and equal protection, ensuring that all persons are treated fairly under the law.